Hold up. First of all, happy Pride Month, everyone. Second of all, this is so cool. I need to try this right now. Also, today I'm not feeling my hair, so we're gonna be doing this. Before the makeup, I'm just gonna braid my hair. Okay, I am braided, and now I'm thinking, should I do my makeup first or should I put the wig on first? I decided to go for the wig first. Okay, so I'm gonna keep the face makeup to a minimum. Okay, so then I'm doing the contour. I usually do put it on with a brush, but today I'm like especially lazy. So this is what you're supposed to have on your face at this point. And then we do a little bit of blenderoonie. Okay, then I'm going in with the concealer once again. And also I'm doing a little bit of blusheroonie. I just love this phase of doing your makeup where you know absolutely nothing. Like you don't know where it's gonna go. And then I took a too long pause and now I'm in a hurry. This is how I'm late. I start on time, but my pauses, they're just too long. I think no one can judge me though because I had to vibe out to a Justin Bieber bop from 2012. Oh my god. At this point, I'm gonna do my freckles with the spray. We know about the spray. Everyone knows about the spray. It's giving fart, but we can fix it. Okay, now the only thing that's left is the lash part. Okay, I'm gonna have my own approach. I'm going in with a white eyeliner. I'm starting out with the yellow and then I'm going out. Okay, I'm going into an unknown direction. Here I'm gonna go in with some green because I'm missing the green. Okay, I completely changed this look. I'm so sorry. I just changed it. It is absolutely nothing like hers. It is absolutely not showing up on my lashes. I'm gonna add the lashes. And the last thing is the lips. And pretty much this would be it. I am so sorry that it's not like the look in the beginning, but it has its own charm. I'm gonna go do a transition. I need to use this look. If you want to see that, stay tuned. In the meantime, what do we think?